Hi there, today we're taking a look at the outreach page for WaaPy. As soon as you click outreach on the left sidebar, you will be redirected straight to the main WaaPy dashboard. So if you click dashboard right here, you'll be directed to outreach dashboard. On this dashboard, you can get a quick high-level overview of your metrics, including total contacts, total campaigns, and ongoing campaigns currently running. Next up is reports. If you click here, you can view your performance report, which tracks the overall success and detailed stats of your message blasting. Moving on to the campaigns tab, here you can manage your outreach by checking all campaigns right here, or you can start a new one by clicking create campaign. Right below that, we also have templates. This is where all your saved meta templates will be live. If you don't have any created yet, this area will simply appear empty and won't appear until you add some. You can also click sync templates right here to sync all your templates that you have done on the WaaPy. Now let's look at the audience section. Under all contacts right here, you can see your entire contact list. You can also create a targeted contact list by selecting a specific contact and clicking create list right here on top right here to group them together. After that, you can jump into contact list, and as you can see, there's a few contact lists right here we have created. Also, now we'll be jumping into connections. You'll find all your integrated message channels or connections like WhatsApp Cloud or Messenger. If you have 5 active numbers, you see 5 listed here. If you have 2, you'll see 2, and so on. In the system section, you can see background jobs right here. This area monitor the status of your tasks under WaaPy Sync Jobs. By clicking Sync All, it will put all your updated data directly from WaaPy into Outreach. You can also track your contact imports is in here to confirm how many contacts were successfully imported and review the generation reports. Lastly is the unsubscribe keywords. Finally, we have this one. Here you can manage specific triggers that will automatically remove a contact from your campaign if they text a specific opt-out keyword. And that is all from Outreach.